Hi, this is Akkaz. In this tutorial, you will see why and how we use IFERROR function. If a formula resulting as error, this function replaces that error message with a defined value. Otherwise, returns the result. It has two arguments. First argument is value, where the formula to be defined, and second argument is what to return if first argument resulting as error. Let's practice. Here we are doing divisions, but some are resulting error. And these errors are impacting our onward calculation, which resulting error as well. To overcome this issue, let's write error function. If error, formula in first argument. If this formula returns error, return 0. Copy, paste. We replaced error messages with 0. Now our average formula is not showing any error and working fine. I'm sure this tutorial will help you to understand the function, its usage and implementation. Practice file link is given in description of this video. I also prepared a tutorial on how to use IFERROR function with VLOOKUP. Link is given in description of this video.